Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change username on Facebook. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So usernames on Facebook are unique, so nobody can have the same one, and also changing your username will go and change your profile URL as well. To go and get started, tap on the menu button in the bottom right hand corner, scroll down until you find the section Settings and Privacy. Click on it just like so, and then tap Settings. Now what you need to do is tap on Account Center at the top here, and in Account Center you will see the option for Profile. Go and tap there. Tap on the one you want to change the username for, click on Username, and that's it. You can type your new username right here and finally press Done down here. So that's it. That is how to change username on Facebook. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.